guys. Today I'm going to be opening the burger plush from Moriah Elizabeth. I did order the Cousin Dirt plush that is on her shop as well, but I haven't received it yet. But I will make a video and post it when I get Cousin Dirt. Her shop will be linked in the description if you want to check this out. And you can see it's not very exciting packaging, it's just normal. This is exactly what the Georgie plush came in, but I got excited and opened it, and I realized, oh, I can make a video about this. So, this is exactly the packaging, except it had a Georgie in it. Without further ado, let's open this burger. Okay, grab some scissors if I'm gonna need them. Yeah, so I'm gonna open this. I need scissors. Okay. Here it is. Okay. Okay, here it is. It's so cute. I love it. It's so soft as well. As you can see, it has little embroidery spots on the cheese to highlight the cheese, and it has little sesame seeds embroidered on it. It's pretty firm. It's stuffed really well, which I like about stuffed animals when they're stuffed really well. Yeah, it has cheesed, I was about to say tomato, but there's no tomato. There's the burger patty and the lettuce, and the bun. It has a little tag on it, and that's about it. It's really soft. It feels like it's really soft. So I hope you enjoyed this. It was really a short video, because it's just the burger. I will make a Cousin Dirt video when I get him. I did also get my Shelly and Eustace slippers on Christmas Day, and I got Pickle the dinosaur on Christmas Day. And as you can see, he has little spots embroidered, and he's really cute. And the slippers are really comfortable. So if you want to see me review those in separate videos, then yeah. I will see you guys later. Bye. Please consider subscribing and have a great day. Bye.